Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are at a place where Turkish local products are exhibited and I wanted to show you what kind of products there are. Grape leaf wrap, prepared and cooked in an extremely healthy way with olive oil, sold as such. Homemade walnut and pistachio baklavas, they said these baklavas are 80 times. There are some spices that grow in the settlement, such as oregano. Here are mixed fragrant spices like mint and basil. Mixed dried fruit. Powdered pistachios and pine nuts. Totally sun-dried tomato slices, these are very tasty and healthy. Chili peppers, fry these peppers in oil and eat them crispy, it's really scrumptious. Some pastries, dried Beypazarı with a very long shelf life. Homemade noodles. Beypazarı noodles are used in making soup. Dry greens, zucchini and eggplant. Sweet products. It is flavored with hazelnuts added to the natural fruit pulp. Purees made with grapes or dud are poured thinly and laid out in the sun. After drying, the fruit purees are ready to give a paper-like shape. You can watch the apricot pulp recipe I made at home by clicking the link. This is how the fruit pulp flour looks like, unformed and plain. Atom. Sucuk with walnuts. The red ones are colored with pomegranate juice. There are models made with grapes and mulberry. The walnuts are strung on a string and immersed in the liquid. The process is repeated 3-4 times and they are expected to dry. Great healthy and tasty snacks as a result. Here are fruit purees. We use the name marmalade. Black mulberry marmalade. Cranberry marmalade. Rosette marmalade. Tarhana, the food that doctors say is the healthiest soup. I shared a detailed recipe video about how tarhana is made, you can watch it if you wish. Dried bell pepper. Small okra dried by stringing. Butter. Famous cheddar cheese produced in the city of Kars. Ertzincan goat Tulum cheese. Thin wire cheese. National honey varieties, flower honey, pine honey, chestnut honey and acacia honey. Special blend containing pollen and propolis, these are all natural pollen. Black hive honey placed on the trunks of tall trees. I think this is the best honey I can't eat, it's a bit expensive. Diyarbakir Dibek Turkish coffee. Kankiri rock salt. The healthiest salt you can choose instead of iodized salt on your table. Salt lamps. The famous chemically Turkish delights of Afan. You can see the white creamy texture in the Turkish delight. Turkish delight with pistachio, Turkish delight with pomegranate seeds. Saffron Turkish delight, chocolate-filled Turkish delights. Wrapping Turkish delight. Here we see a different kind of Turkish delight with 7 layers of flooring. Uncut delights. Mint delight. Turkish delight covered with rose petals and delights covered with coconut. For those who like more colorful things, this kind of Turkish delight is also available. Black mulberry syrup. Here he talks about the benefits. Good for respiratory tract infections, good for the skin. Regulates anemia. It does not contain bacteria on the fruit, it is clean, good for stomach, good for tiredness, energizes, rejuvenates, is good for the intestines. In short, it is a very useful fruit, and products made with black mulberry seem to be in the foreground in these exhibitions. Beef sucuk produced in Afan city. Turkish confectionery candy. We haven't been able to prepare a video about making Turkish pancakes yet. It's on my list of making regrets, but the manufacturer didn't call me. I hope we can make a video. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.
Bitti.